Hello dear friends, I am Archana Jayanta Mahajan. Basically, I am a pharmacist and yoga instructor too. I have my own medical shop. Nowadays, I am enjoying my work as a yoga teacher in Sumananjali Bahuddeshiya Sanstha. You can learn spoken English online. These spoken English sessions are for beginners and also for those who can speak very well. You can learn spoken English online, but for that you need more practice. To do more practice, you can talk with our teachers, students, and we smart members. You can also learn online spoken English by talking with our teachers. So don't wait and send your request at shailesh.shirsat@gmail.com.
Your name?
So my name is Rajshri Tarde.
Okay. From where are you?
I'm from Raipur.
Okay. Near Raver.
Yeah, in Raver Taluka.
Okay, okay. My uncle is also there in Raver.
Okay. From where are you?
My actually my native place is Raver, from Raver, and Sauda is my maternal uncle's village.
Okay. So
And I have okay. I have spent my childhood in Dombivli,
okay.
Thane district,
Okay.
and got married in Jalgaon.
Now you in Jalgaon.
Yes.
Okay.
Since last 21 years, I am in Jalgaon.
Okay.
I have completed my pharmacy education in Ulhasnagar, and for last 14 years, I have run my medical shop
That's good.
because I am pharmacist.
Okay.
And after that, I have started my academy. 8 to 10 standard comes to learn in my academy, and my daughter is in second year in biotechnology. She is in Pune, and my son is in 9th class.
Okay.
My husband is civil engineer.
Okay.
He is builder, and I'm part-time housewife,
Okay.
and I'm doing yoga teacher course for last 2 years, and nowadays busy in this work only, because as you have mentioned that what are the causes of corona, and
Yeah.
with the help of yoga we can do a lot of things against corona.
Yes. Yes.
We can prevent it
Yes, ma'am.
in pranayama. Can breathe easily,
Okay,
so we
ma'am.
can increase our capacity of lung.
Yes, ma'am.
What about you?
I have recently.
What are you doing nowadays?
I have recently completed my diploma in information technology. Nowadays, nowadays I developing websites, and a blog. As you know, VSmart. I have recently joined it, and then I have developing for the blogs and website for. I have a separate website for diploma students, msbtstudyresources.com.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. You are doing a very nice job.
Thank you, ma'am.
So best luck for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.
What about your mother and father?
My mother and father is a farmer. I'm a daughter of a farmer.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
I'm also busy in farming nowadays.
Yeah, good.
A different farming, sericulture.
Okay. Since lockdown, what's your experience?
Lockdown actually gave a very big experience to me because I had a lot of time to do
Yeah,
various activities.
yeah,
I read several books in this lockdown period so that we can increase our vocabulary
yeah,
and English grammar too.
yeah,
Then I had played some games, indoor games especially. I enjoyed with my son and daughter too, and also I have enjoyed cooking.
yeah. Actually, I
What
also
about
like
you?
cooking.
Oh, very nice.
And in lockdown, I spend my time over learning a new technologies. Uh, as I'm a IT student, I love technologies and I like to learn a new things.
Very nice thing.
Yeah,
Definitely, it will help for you.
yeah,
Yes. My daughter is also used to share a lot of things regarding biotechnology
yeah.
because biology is a common subject which
Yes,
we
yes,
both love. So she used to share some of the things which nowadays she is learning on online lectures.
yeah. In online, we can learn a lot of things from online.
Yes,
Mm,
it's a very nice thing that we gained nowadays because of this lockdown period only.
yeah. Ma'am, I want to ask you what do you
Anything
think?
else?
Yeah, I want to ask you what is your idea or what do you think about the Smart group and Spoken Smart?
Okay. Uh, I think you have joined recently We
Yeah, yeah,
Smart Group.
yeah.
Since last 8 to 10 years, I am with Shailesh Shirsat sir
Okay.
in spoken English class and We Smart Group. So there are a lot of things. Shailesh Shirsat sir is every day sharing some of the new things,
Yeah,
and in spoken English also she shares a lot of things and which
and
will be really helpful for
yeah,
beginners.
it really helpful for parents and teachers also.
And teachers too and
Yeah,
student.
yeah,
It is really helpful. And sir teaches in a very basic way. That
yeah.
it is very understandable.
Yes.
So I like it very much.
I really feel proud because I'm a member of Smart group.
Really.
Yeah,
Me too.
yeah. You're a senior,
Yes.
and one of
But
the
feeling happy.
uncle
Feeling
said me that
hmm,
uncle said me that you are one of the founder of a Smart group.
yes.
It's a very nice idea and fantastic.
Yes. Really.
I really
And
like this.
Manisha Shirsat is also there.
Yeah,
She
yeah.
always used to share her ideas with me, and it is really helpful for us.
Yes.
So
For
all of us,
beginners, it's really
yes, all
yeah.
of us work together for the progress of this We Smart Group. It is a very big and good platform for us.
Yes. I really enjoy this.
Yes,
Okay.
and you are welcome in We Smart Group.
Thank you, ma'am. Anything else you sharing with us? Ideas or anything else?
Not now. We will meet again
Okay.
and we will discuss all the things,
Yes.
whatever we had missed today.
Yeah, yeah.
Now I will say a very big thanks to Shailesh Shirsat sir, Manisha Shirsat madam for giving us this platform so
Yes,
that we can exchange our ideas, our thinking about spoken English class.
yes.
And we smart group.
I also thankful for Shailesh Shirsat sir and Manisha
Okay.
Shirsat ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Then bye.
Okay, bye.
Let's meet again.
Yeah. See you soon.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.